Hi, I'm Rob Buffington with Home Seekers of Berkshire Hathaway of East Lansing, and today we're going to talk about how you can improve your home to get the best bang for your buck. Over the past couple of years, we've seen quite a change in the things that we can add to a home's value and how we can add value to a home that makes sense to a buyer. Most people will think that they can just do all of these upgrades and then list their home at the highest possible price, and that's not necessarily true. What we've seen in this post-pandemic era is that buyers are looking for specific things. We're going to talk about 3 of those things that you can do to your property right now to get your home prepared to go onto the market coming into the spring market. The first thing that I would recommend is if you have the ability to add square footage. A lot of people over the last couple of years, they've either created home offices or they've created like homeschooling space for their children because of the post-pandemic era that we've been in. That could be space above a garage. It could be finishing some lower level space that might work well for these designated spaces where a husband and wife need their own home offices. A lot of houses don't come with 2 offices unless it's custom built. So be thinking about that. Be thinking about what you would look for if you were a buyer going out in today's market, and just try to view your home through buyer's eyes. That's one project that we would recommend. Another one is curb appeal. Obviously, we have to get people into the home to be able to get them to appreciate the home. So if someone drives by your house or the very first impression of your home is not great, they're probably just going to move right past it. So we recommend coming into the spring market to spruce up the outside, whether that's a fresh lawn cut, whether that's freshened up flower beds, some new mulch, different things that we can do, chipped paint, anything that we can do to the exterior of the home to draw people in. We got to get them into the home so that they can appreciate the space. So then the third thing we would recommend is the outdoor space. The post-pandemic era, we've seen a lot of people that still want to, social distance to some extent. So whether that's an outdoor patio, whether that's an outdoor kitchen, depending on the price point of your home, whatever that looks like, a deck or refurbishing a deck, I think it makes sense to make some outdoor space that's usable for that future buyer. People like to entertain, they want to have friends and family over, they want to be able to use their outdoor space to be able to have gatherings where you're not necessarily in a home. So think about those things as you're preparing your home to go onto the market, coming into the spring market in 2023. And if you need any help along the way, we're happy to help. Reach out to Home Seekers today.